Today up we have a watt-hour meter, an old one. These are the dials that show you the watt-hours in orders of 10. Here I am supposing is the knob that allows them to decide how much they want to cheat you. There are the inner workings quickly. We are going to do a partial disassembly of this, so let's begin. Actually, I got all this loose before, so this will just come right off. Say goodbye to the plate. Let's see what else we can do here. These screws don't seem to want to come out. Alright, there's some flat heads here that we'll use to take out the numbers with. There's one. You can see that the gears are rather delicate. Wrong one. Using the right one would be a help. Do that one. Do this one down here. This one came from New Mexico, but it seems to be doing fine up here in the nice cool weather of upstate New York. There we are. Now take out the bottom one. It won't come. Okay. There are the numbers. Just put them over there. The disc is being a bit more stubborn. There we are. Out it comes. There's the bearing. And there is the disc. Calibrated as you see here. Here we are. Now I'm going to try to see if I can get this back off. Probably not, but you don't know if you don't try. Need something a little more heavy duty. Probably a sealing ring. And here is the motor, which makes everything go. There might also be a permanent magnet. Oh! Very hard to cheat the power company indeed. There we are. We'll have to get to them later. But there is a small motor in there, which I don't know how well you can see. Get these out. That's about as good as it's going to get, but that's the motor that makes everything run. There we are. I will take this apart further off camera, and I may do a second one entailing that.